Oh, whatever. Hello? What was that? What the was that? Thought I saw something. What, something turn on the lights. What was that? Let's see, I think it came from out there. What on earth is this? What on earth? Looks like a dirty sock. Wow, that was weird. I wonder why. It's a dirty sock like that. That's weird. That was weird, wasn't it? What the heck? Who threw that pillow? Oh, somebody's at the door. Let's be very quiet. Hello? Is anybody there? Huh. Let's go back to my room and check on that creepy puppet. Where is it at? Holy crap. Oh no. The puppet's gone. And the window is open. Yep, sounds like 'cause they're messing with me. How are you, Max? Stupid kids. Oh my gosh, yes, I know I'm a kid too. Who knows? Just trying to be creepy. Yeah. Beats me. Oh, that was weird. What the heck? Fridge just opened by itself on Franklin. I'm a little too afraid to check that out right now. Dang it. Hello? Hello? Is anybody there? Oh my gosh. Holy crap, oh no. Right around here. Right around here, I thought I saw it. There's nothing in here. Must have been imagining something. There's a shadow in there. There's a shadow in there. I'm gonna walk in here and see if there's anything in here. What is with that creepy shadow? I know I saw something. It's alright, Max. There's something. Somebody's messing around with us, as usual. Oh, man. Wonder where... Crap. Here's the lights again. Great. Dang it. That was... Who's doing this? Alright, that's creepy. I think I'm gonna hide that bathroom now. What? I think we got out of... By the Bar of Doritos, I'm alive, and I'm in a hidden location, and nobody will ever find out, so bye.